Welcome to Health Solutions. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hi guys, this is my second video on how to make homemade natural Viagra drink. It's 100% safe, healthy and very easy to make with readily available ingredients. And to make this you will need a quarter to half a watermelon depending on its size and 1 beetroot. Cut watermelon in chunks and keep aside. Also peel the beet, wash and cut it into quarters. Now push them through the juicer. You can also use a blender if juicer is not available. I'm using a slow juicer for better juicing results. Let's find out as to how this works. A cold slice of watermelon is consumed to satisfy a thirst and hunger during the warmer months, but the juicy fruit could even satisfy in the bedroom in between the sheets. Coined as nature's Viagra by scientists, watermelon juice can provide a big benefit to men who suffer from mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. Citrulline, an amino acid found in high concentrations of watermelon, is known to increase the blood flow by relaxing the blood vessels, which is similar to what Viagra does, but without the side effects. In addition to relaxing blood vessels, the citrulline is also known to promote energy. Beetroot juice contains significant levels of dietary nitrate, which is then converted into nitric oxide in the blood. Nitric oxide is a gas which widens blood vessels and aids blood flow to every extremity. Beetroot is also high in boron, the mineral that stimulates the production of sexual hormones. It helps the body metabolize and use estrogen in women and increases testosterone levels in men. I also suggest to watch my first video on this topic in which different set of ingredients are used. And now our homemade natural Viagra drink is ready. So men, it's time to raise your glass of this juice, enjoy and kick aside that blue pill which has side effects like headache, runny nose, sneezing, redness of skin, etc. Stay connected for more such health tips. Till then, bye-bye. Connect with us on social websites. Please like our Facebook page Versatile Wiki. Also like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.